Harnessing the power of the wind requires precision. Through advanced wake optimization, we ensure maximum output across the entire farm.
Continue descent, millimeter by millimeter. We have alignment.
Roger that. Locking sequence initiated.
Look at the shear stress data here. It's well within tolerance.
Yes, the resin cured exactly as expected. The quality check is complete.
We have full separation from the mold.
Confirmed. Ascent looks stable.
The fatigue test results are well within tolerance levels.
Confirmed. Initiating final approval sequence now.
The termination on Module 3 is complete.
Okay, let me check the continuity readings on the tablet.
Everything looks aligned here. The vibration dampeners are secure.
Good. I'm getting a final green light on the laser scan parameters.
Okay, everyone, we're moving up to the next level. Watch the clearance on the cables.
Copy that. Securing this section now.
The shear strength here is lower than expected according to this reading. We should run the probe deeper.
Agreed. Let's verify the density profile.
How's it looking up there?
Almost done with this row. Hand me another tie. The laser shows green. Lock it down.
Roger that. Securing the nuts now.
Bring it down 50.
Hold steady, alignment check.
Okay, send the pins. We are locked in.
All right, bring it up slowly. Looks aligned. Hold it there. Securing the bolts now. Looks good. Check the tension on the rear sling.
Verified. All green for still lift. Bring it down easy. We're almost lined up.
Copy that. Moving down 5 centimeters. Looks good from here. All right, start tightening sequence on bolt 3.
Engaging the wrench now.
Clear on this side. Load is transferring.
Wind conditions are stable.
Rigging checks confirmed. You are clear to lift.
Tension the guide ropes immediately. We are seeing excessive rotation in the wind.
RPMs are increasing steadily.
Looks good. The vibration levels are stable. Start the tensioning sequence.
Steady now. It's locking into place.
Confirmed secure.
Easy on the tension. Slow the spool down now. All right, she's settling in nicely. Get the sand truck ready.
And there it is, right on target.
Excellent. The grid is stable.
Vibration and acoustic levels are stable, right in the green zone.
Perfect. Go ahead and power down the sensors.
Harnessing the power of the wind requires precision. Through advanced wake optimization, we ensure maximum output across the entire farm.
Grid stability contribution. The turbine contributes voltage and frequency stability to the grid.
The reading is stable at 0.02 ohms.
Perfect. That confirms the grounding path.
The vibration analysis looks stable.
Yes, and the power curve matches the projection. We can approve this batch.
Confirmed. All systems green. We are officially online.
With all turbines spinning in unison, this wind farm is now fully online, providing sustainable power for the future.
The output has been remarkably stable this month.
Yes, the adjustments we made in week 2 clearly paid off.
Getting a high reading right here on the edge. Noted.
Does the pitting look severe?
Check the voltage on this relay switch right here. It looks worn.
The tablet data confirms the readings are stable. The blinking is normal during the diagnostic cycle.
The updated power curve confirms the optimization.
Significant efficiency gains across the board.
This yellow area shows the accumulation exceeding the threshold.
And the remaining life indicators are adjusting accordingly. We should run the turbulence scenario next.
If we look at the blade schematic, the upgrade pathway is clear.
Agreed. The timeline confirms we are on track for the Q4 rollout.
Operational maturity achieved.
Here is the full 10-year performance review.
As expected, remarkable stability and high output levels maintained.
The reassessment confirms significant stress accumulation on the leading edges.
Yes, the map shows redlining near the seams. We should initiate a level 3 inspection.
The capacity projections are exceeding our targets with the new design.
Yes, the nacelle upgrade is definitely feasible.
Bring her down 50 millimeters, steady.
50 millimeters down, steady pressure applied, looking good. Easy now, easy. 10 feet to the cradle. Copy that. Preparing to set the load. Bring it down another 5 meters.
Copy. Guiding it onto the trailer now.